Today, I'm going to teach you how to forward an email in Microsoft Outlook. This is a fundamental skill that allows you to share important messages with colleagues, clients, or anyone who needs to be kept in the loop on specific conversations or information. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. This will load all your emails and give you access to your inbox. Once you're logged in, you'll see your familiar Outlook interface with all your folders and messages ready to work with. Once your emails have loaded, navigate to your inbox pane. Here you'll see several folders containing your emails, neatly organized for easy access. The process of forwarding an email in Microsoft Outlook is quite straightforward, so don't worry if this is your first time doing it. From the list of emails displayed in your inbox, simply locate the one you wish to forward. Take your time browsing through your messages until you find the right one. Once you've found it, right-click on that email. This action will bring up a context menu with several options for managing your email. From the list of options that appear in the context menu, click on Forward. This will open a new composition window specifically designed for forwarding. In this window, you'll notice that the original email is attached below in your email body, preserving all the content from the original message. From here, you have full control over how you want to present this forwarded email. You can add context or additional information in the email body above the original message. This is particularly useful if you want to explain why you're forwarding the email or provide specific instructions to the recipient. You can also change the subject line if you feel it needs clarification or updating to better reflect the purpose of your forward. And of course, add your recipients in the To field. You can forward to multiple people at once by adding several email addresses here. Once you've customized everything to your liking and added all the necessary recipients, you're ready to send and forward the selected email. The process is that simple and efficient, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully forwarded an email in Microsoft Outlook, allowing you to share important information with others quickly and professionally. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.